How to fix the camera app is not showing on your iPhone. So if you're unable to load the camera, I'll show you a few ways on how to solve this. Now first, unlock your iPhone and head over to the home screen. You can then swipe downwards to bring up the search box and search for camera. Now if you see the camera from the search box, hold down on the application and you can simply press add to home screen. Now if it doesn't show up, I'll show you another way to solve this instead. So go and open up the settings on your iPhone, scroll down to screen time, and then scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. Now if you have this option turned on and enabled, you'll need to toggle off the content and privacy restrictions. Once you have this feature turned off, you should then be able to find and open the camera on your phone. If it's still not working, go and open back up your settings one final time. You can then click on General from the list of options, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset and then press Reset Home Screen Layout. You can then press the Reset button, and once you've done that, you should now be able to find the camera app.